Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today I am going to explain standard 6th MPSP. Okay, so in that book, lesson number 15 is there, algebraic expression. Okay, now algebraic expression, this is most important topic, and same lesson is repeated in 7th standard. Okay, so children pay attention here. Now algebraic expression. Now algebraic expression means what? In when we solve the expression, so that time many signs are there. Okay, we have to do the multi work in the sum. Okay, for example, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, matlab more than two work we have to do there. So that is called expression. And when we solve the expression, so that time I think in previous video I already explained about BODMAS method. So that method we have to use there. Okay. Now in algebraic expression, first and most important thing, that is means suppose on the whiteboard I am writing here 5x. Now see children, 5x. 5 is the number and x is the letter. Okay. So in algebraic expression, the numbers we called coefficient and letters we are called variable. Okay, so letters or alphabet we called variable and the number we call that coefficient. Okay, for example 5x, then 7y. So 7 is coefficient and y is variable. Okay, now afterward next topic in that lesson, that is means like expression and unlike expression. This we call that term, like term and unlike term. Okay. Now how to identify like term and unlike term? Suppose variables are same, then we call that like term. Okay. If variables are same, then we call that like term. For example, 4x, 3x. Okay. Then second, 3y, 2y. Okay, so variables are same. For example, suppose two letters are there, 2xy, 4xy, like that. Suppose 9z, 4z. Okay, same variables are there, so that term we call like term. And suppose letters are different, letters in alphabets, variables are different, then we call that unlike term. Okay, for example 3x plus 2y, so it is unlike term because variables are different. Okay, 4x, or we have to take 4l, 7m, 2m, so these are unlike term and the letters or variables are same, so it is called like term. Like term and unlike term, that two things are main important in this lesson. Afterward the next important topic, that is means monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay, so monomial means what? Now I am explaining here. Monomial, and second is binomial, and third is trinomial. मोनोमियल मीन्स सिंगल वाले. ओके, मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल 5x ओनली, 2x, 3y लाइक दिस. तो ये हो गए जहाँ पे सिंगल सिंगल टाइम है वो, तो वो मोनोमियल. और वही वेरिएबल्स कपल में आता है, जैसे 2x प्लस 3y, तो यहाँ पे बाइनोमियल, 4z प्लस 2m लाइक दिस. ओके, ट्राइनोमियल मीन्स ट्रिपल आता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 2x plus 3y plus 4z like this. Okay, so this is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay, if you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.